In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image online using Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or a seasoned pro, cropping is an essential skill that you'll likely use in countless projects, from creating social media posts to designing presentations. Let's jump right in and explore how to do this with ease and precision. First, you want to start by opening your design in Canva. If you haven't already uploaded the image you want to crop, you'll need to do that now. Once your image is on your design canvas, simply click on it. Clicking the image will reveal a variety of options and tools that Canva offers, all appearing above your selected image. This is your editing control center and where you'll be taking most of your actions. Now, once the image is selected, you'll see a toolbar at the top of your Canva window. Here you'll find several icons for editing. Look for the crop icon, usually represented by overlapping right angles or a kind of cut corners symbol. Go ahead and click this crop icon. This action will turn the image borders into adjustable lines, allowing you to define the area you wish to keep while removing everything outside this boundary. After clicking the crop icon, you'll see another option pop up called Smart Crop. Click on this to let Canva automatically suggest the best crop for your image. Smart Crop uses intelligent budgeting to find the most important part of the image, which can save you time and effort, especially when you're working with multiple images or complex visual elements. Don't worry if the Smart Crop doesn't get it exactly right the first time. You can fine-tune it to your preference by manually adjusting the crop area. To do this, click and drag the corners or edges of the crop box. This flexibility allows you to get exactly the composition you want. You can resize the crop area by dragging any of the corners. Simply click, hold and drag until the size and position match your vision. Once you've adjusted the crop area, you might want to consider the composition. Is the focus where you want it? Is there enough space around the subject? Remember, cropping is not just about cutting down image size, it's also fundamentally about framing your subject to enhance the image's impact. Finally, after you are satisfied with your adjustments, hit the Done button. Your image now has the desired look and is ready to be used as part of your Canva design. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully cropped an image online using Canva, ensuring your design looks exactly the way you want. Keep practicing, and soon cropping will become second nature in your design toolkit.